have a TV, an RCA 50 LED50B45RQ. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this remote. This ain't the original one though, so I'm gonna use it on this TV. So what you have to do is put the code in. But wait, hold on. I'm gonna show you what you have to do. You gotta hold the TV button and put the 5-digit number. Make sure you're close to the TV. That's pretty obvious. Let me show you the number. Put the number 10178, and then after that you will be able to use the remote. This is the original one. So the problem with this remote, I cannot use this thingy right here. Hold on, I'm gonna go on my camera. I cannot use the left, right, or any the directional to control the menu. Cause look, if I turn on the TV with it, and then when I press the menu button, it doesn't let me move to the right or to the left. It's like it's another button for volume. See, look how I push it to the right. So yeah, if you had this type of remote, it's a RCA. I'm pretty sure it was gonna work. It's universal on these new HD TVs. So I hope you learned something. And if you have the same remote, the same TV, it should work.